Go ahead, please.
Hello, I'm Walid Assar. I'm handling operation in retail environment. My presentation was about agile scrum of scrums. The scrum of scrums is an agile technique that offer a way of connecting multiple team who need to work together to deliver a complex solution. It's help the team to develop and deliver complex products through transparency, inspection, and adaptation at scale. Each daily scrum include a designation members as ambassador. This ambassador are connecting with another ambassador from another scrum team. Called this process called scrum of scrums. For benefit of a scrum of scrums, to combine user scrum methodology, streamlines collaboration, that even a team stay informed, all the team stay informed from each and everyone is responsible since the team are responsible, provide a framework out issues and difficulties, make program solving easier, facilitate consequences, provide a means of delaying with the new unexpected developments that potential affect multiple group or departments. Reinforce each team role and keep them on in course, present them from different into another team lane. So this is my presentation.
Cool. Do you have any question?
Yeah. What did you say?
When did you start?
So we'll start from beginning.
Cool. Ask the guys online. Type.
Sorry, is there any question?
Seems nice. Cool. I love work.
See, beautiful.
Cool, guys. So scrums is layers of scrum or agile. It's more than one layer in hand. Maybe when you have more complex projects, that what we have mentioned before is your scrum team should be, or agile team should be, of how many team members? Cool. So it's those guys, right? This is the team. What if your project requests or required more team members? What you're gonna do? Are you going to make the same team out of 15 or 19 or 20 guys or 100 guys? Definitely not. The first step that you go up with scrum of scrums, and it's always or also used when you have a spike that's not going to be resolved using the same team members. So you can add another layer of scrum of scrums, and this is a question for your exam. That's why I told you this is very important for the exam, guys.
Suppose I have 5 members in my team.
Yeah.
So I will hire only 1, 2.
If it's up to 9, it's okay. You can hire. If they have different skills than the teams that you already have.
Yeah.
If, for example, let's say you have programmers and you have code guys and you have front end people, but you still don't have, for example, back end people.
Okay.
So you need to hire back end people within the same team. But if the work requires more programmers, more code guys, and you have them within your teams, but they can work on a separate part of the project with a separate team, then you'll go with another scrum team.
So there will be 2 teams.
Yes, maybe 3, maybe 4. Depends on how many people. But I need you guys.